Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the viewfinder on a JVC GR-303 Videomovie camcorder. The tools you'll need are a small set of pliers and a very small screwdriver. And of course, a working spare GR-303 viewfinder. First, to remove the battery, unhinge the strap that holds it in place and slide the battery out of its battery compartment. Next, with your screwdriver, unscrew these 4 screws located at the corners of the side where the battery compartment is. Then remove the broken viewfinder from the top by pressing the button and sliding it out of its shoe mount. Then flip it over, and you can now very gently lift up and expose the insides from the cover. Do this very gently because the connections are still in place and it may damage your camera if you apply too much force. The part that we need to replace that connects the viewfinder is this part, marked off in red. Disconnect this with your small pair of pliers. And reconnect the new working viewfinder in the same manner. Then close it all up, make sure everything is in place, and screw it back together. And that's it. A working viewfinder.